Hello everyone, my name is Dennis Mwaka. Welcome to my channel, Microsoft Project Simplified. This is my first tutorial and I intend to be uploading at least one tutorial every week. The main reason for creating this channel is to be sharing my knowledge which I have with you out there. Straight, let's go to the introduction part of Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project, also known as MS Project, is a project management software or tool developed and owned by Microsoft. MS Project is widely used by project managers and engineers, the planners, etc., to plan, schedule, manage, and then track projects. MS Project comes in different versions. Version 1 is desktop version. This version of MS Project are installed directly on a computer. We have examples like MS Project 2016. And this version enhances resource management and integration with other Microsoft applications. We have MS Project 2019. The version improved reporting, collaboration, and the multiple timelines view. We have also MS Project 2021. This version comes with advanced scheduling, reporting, and integration with Teams. And we have also MS Project 2024, being the latest version with advanced features such as AI-powered planning, agile, and hybrid methodology support, etc. And another version is the cloud-based version. This is the Project Online. This is subscription-based part of MS Project 365 and hosted in the cloud. The version is suitable for enterprise level project and portfolio management. And under cloud-based version, we have also Project for Web. This is a lightweight, modern web-based version built on the Power Platform, focus on simplicity and collaboration. Under version 3, we have editions, which is both desktop and online. One is Project Standard. Its basic features are for individual project managers. B, Project for Professional. It has advanced features with collaboration, resource management, and integration with project servers, online. And we have also project servers, project online. This is suitable for enterprise level solution for multiple projects, portfolio management, and team collaboration. So these are the three key versions of MS Project. Let's move on. Capabilities of MS Project. Under capability of MS Project, with MS Project, you can define project objective, deliverables, and scopes. You can break down projects into tasks, subtasks, and milestones. You can also create task dependencies. You can use Gantt charts, the timelines view for scheduling. You can set the baseline to compare plan versus actual progress. Capabilities 2 is resource management. You can assign resources like people, equipment, material to tasks. You can manage resource availability and capacity. You can detect and resolve resource overallocation. You can also track resource uses and productivity. Okay, let's move on. Capability 3 is cost and budget management. With MS Project, you can assign cost to task. and resources. You can also track actual versus planned cost. You can forecast the budget needs. You can also generate cost variance report. This is mostly when you're ready in the middle of the project and you want to know about your cost in the project. Capabilities 4 is progress tracking and monitoring. You can update task completion status. You can track progress against baseline. You can also identify the critical path and analyze the delay in the project. You can manage risk and adjust the schedule dynamically. Um, Capability 5 is about reporting and visualization. There is built-in dashboards and reports for progress, cost, resources, and workload. You can customize charts, graphs, and views in MS Project. You can also export reports to Excel, PDF, and PowerPoint. Let's move on. Capabilities number 6 is collaboration and integration. With MS Project, integrate with Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook. Cloud-based version allows multiple users to collaborate, and you can have a centralized project data for the stakeholders. Capability 6 is portfolio and program management. This is a bit advanced capability of MS Project. With this, you can manage multiple projects at once. Prioritize the projects based on strategic goals, resource leveling across multiple projects, scenario analysis, what if. With these capabilities, we shall look into each one when we start our sampled projects. And in case you have not got it well here, don't worry. It will be okay when we are handling sample projects. And you'll find it really is easy. Let's move on. Where is MS Project commonly used? 1. In construction projects. We have projects like roads, buildings, water projects, dam and irrigation, etc., etc. IT stroke software development projects, research and development, event planning, and any other project that require detailed scheduling and resource management. Who should use MS Project? MS Project is for managers at all levels. We have like project managers, site managers, business managers, site agent, engineers, project engineers, regional engineers, etc., etc., planners at all levels that wonder using this software. We come to the end of introduction to Microsoft. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.